Now, the first thing we're going to do is to determine where we're going to place the eyes. And that's where these pins come in handy. I like to use them to give me an idea of where I think they'll look good. And I'm placing them a little bit, say about 3/4 of an inch or roughly from the tip of the nose. And I'm going to go just on the outside of the gusset seam. And then we're going to come right across. Now I'm going to turn his head upside down, and sometimes it's easier to see if you have it even that way, and they look just a little off to me. So I'm going to raise this up a little bit. There we go. That looks better. And the other thing that's going to help is I'm going to trim this a little bit more. Even that out will also help the eyes look more even. By having the hairline, no pun intended there, a little more even also makes the eyes look more even. And actually, as I'm looking at it, this one needs to be raised a little bit more. There. Now I'm happy with where I'm going to place the eyes. I'm going to prepare these eyes to be pulled into the head.